ChatGPT just killed phone calls forever. Voice mode dropped and everything changed. Real-time conversations with AI that sound completely human. Zero lag. Natural interruptions. Perfect understanding. Point 1. It's faster than humans. ChatGPT processes your words instantly. No or awkward pauses. You get immediate, intelligent responses every single time. Your human friends can't compete with this speed. Point 2. It never gets tired. 3 a.m. brainstorming session. ChatGPT's ready. Need to rehearse a presentation 50 times, it's there. Want someone to listen to your problems without judgment. Available 24/7. Humans need sleep. AI doesn't. Point 3. It's getting scary good. The voice inflection feels real. It laughs at jokes, shows empathy when you're stressed, remembers your conversation context perfectly. Sometimes you forget you're talking to a machine. Traditional phone calls are now pointless. Why call someone who might be busy when you can talk to something that's always available? Why deal with miscommunication when AI understands you perfectly? This isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete replacement for how we communicate. Link in my bio shows you exactly how to access ChatGPT's voice mode right now. Don't get left behind while everyone else is already living in the future.